Welcome back to the vlog. Today's day 1 here in Kokomo, technically day 2. Day 1 of qualifying. We're bowling on 37 feet for block 1. We'll bowl another 6 games later on 41 feet. And then tomorrow we're going to bowl them both at the same time, just like 2 weeks ago. I can't say we had the greatest start, but it's not that bad. A 227, 200, so I'm 427 after 2, plus 27. Urethane, just trying to make it work and try to make it hook, and I kind of get that deal where I miss left, get over the top when I try to hit it really hard. Definitely got to work on that. Throwing a gem now. Felt like I threw some good ones towards the end of the game, but I got lucky, struck on a bad one. Didn't really have a clear picture of what the lane was giving me. Threw 2 good ones and a 4-pin and 9-pin, so 200 there. It's all right. Now I'm kind of seeing the right lane's a little tighter. It's probably hooking early on me since I am throwing a strong ball. I'm not really sure which way to go. I might stay in the same spot and just throw it slower. Hard to say. Find out. we got a little bit back the last couple games, almost 500. Was this close to blowing another good one on the right lane, or on the last pair of the right lane. I just didn't quite do the right thing. The entire block, I was just trying to create more shape, but I feel like the more shape I'm creating, the harder it is for me to get the ball through the pins the right way. So I tried just moving right and staying firm for me. But the ninth frame, I made that move. Fortunately, it struck at 220 last game. Don't know. We got 124 over for the block. I can't see us being more than 30 off the number, so we're still there. Thankfully, we made some good moves. Just a tip out there, if you're struggling, don't keep doing the same thing, because that's kind of what I was doing, and then I made a change and moved back to the right, and just tried to play the hole a little more. Keep that in mind if you're ever struggling, and you can't force bad ball reaction to work. And with how hard it is to kick the corners, especially for a player like me here, I got to make sure I'm really doing the right thing. So thankfully we kept up with the pace the last couple games, but we're going to need a good block here. Back for block 2, we're bowling on 41 feet. I'm currently 5 pins out of the number. It's a lot closer than I thought it was going to be, so that's cool, but definitely not things we should be looking at. Going to attack it a little differently, probably going to start a little further left. Everything might be in play. Don't really know. So we're just going to throw some shots to practice, see what we see, and then just keep bowling. We're bowling pretty good, so hopefully the strikes come with. Going on. I guess we're missing out on strikes. I thought I had a very fortunate 36 over for the first two, 210, 226. Maybe not the best cross. The other two righties on my pair are minus, so there is that, I guess. But we are now 160 over after 8. Hopefully we can find a good pair right here and do something cool. Don't know if you guys saw the end of that game. It was awful. At 290 working through 5. Did not strike again. Opened in the 10th, 209. Plus 105 for the block. Plus 229 overall. But we were 3 out of the number going into that game, so we could be either in or we'd be out by 20 or 30. No clue, but this has got to be better tomorrow. Because this is, I'm getting a little tired of fighting to make the cut, and just I need to get a good night's rest. Tomorrow we bowl on dual pattern, 1 on each lane. Gonna go drill some balls because I feel like I should be getting a little more than 30 to 50 over for the first 3 games. So we're gonna see if we can drill our way there. We'll see you tomorrow for the last block and hopefully a cash trade.